doesn't matter how much experience you've had. It doesn't matter if you earned awards, went to congresses, or if you ripped and you already had your 15 minutes of fame.
Today, I'm working prep at La Petite Maison. Hey, what's up, buddy? To wear it like this, which I hate it.
And sometimes you have to press the reset button and go to work under someone else, probably 20 years younger than you, to tell you exactly what to do. Swallow your pride, put your ego in check, and just simply suck it up. Plus, there's nothing more pleasurable than being low-key and seeing all these kids trying to show off in front of you, not knowing who you are and what you've achieved. The truth is, I couldn't have found a better place to do this. Not only I was suddenly under strict rules of behavior, but mainly under very high standards of everything. If there's a place that manages to exalt the quality of an ingredient, the reverence of its preparation, and the execution all along the way, is La Petite Maison. A stage is the best way to get rid of bad habits, correct things you've acquired wrong, but mainly get yourself back in the grind.